Right now, there are 1,500 active volcanoes on Earth. They are sleeping under mountains, under oceans, under cities, waiting. But what if tonight, they all woke up at the exact same moment? What if every single volcano on Earth erupted simultaneously? This would be the deadliest event in human history, worse than any war, any pandemic, any asteroid. The first, second. Imagine 1,500 mountains exploding at the exact same moment. The combined explosive force would equal 15,000 nuclear bombs detonating simultaneously. Hiroshima was one bomb. This is 15,000. The sound alone would kill. In 1883, Krakatoa erupted once, and the sound traveled 4,800 kilometers. The first minute. Lava begins pouring from every volcano on Earth. Rivers of molten rock at 1,200 degrees, racing downhill. But lava is the slow killer. The fast killer is the pyroclastic flow, a superheated cloud traveling at 700 kilometers per hour at 1,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to vaporize a human instantly. Tokyo, Seattle, Naples, Manila, Mexico City, all hit simultaneously. Millions dead in the first minute, the first hour. Now comes the ash. Volcanic ash is not like normal ash. It is made of tiny glass shards. When you breathe it in, those shards tear apart your lungs from inside. Hospitals overflow with people suffocating. Every aircraft engine fails. All flights grounded. Cars stall. Power plants shut down. The electrical grid fails worldwide. The first day. Billions of tons of ash and sulfur dioxide block the sun everywhere. The sun becomes a pale red disk, then disappears completely. Day becomes as dark as night. This is volcanic winter. Global temperatures drop by 15 degrees Celsius immediately. Snow begins falling in tropical places. In summer, the first week. Without sunlight, plants cannot photosynthesize. Crops die on every continent simultaneously. Wheat, rice, corn, vegetables, all dead. Global food production drops 90%. Grocery stores empty in 3 days. People panic, buy, then fight, then kill each other over food. Governments declare martial law, but soldiers are hungry too. Civilization begins to fall. The first month. Sulfur dioxide mixes with water vapor, creating sulfuric acid rain. It falls everywhere, burning skin, poisoning water supplies, dissolving forests. The oceans become toxic. Fish die by the millions floating on the surface. The entire marine food chain collapses. Fishing communities have nothing left to catch. The first year. Earth is locked in full volcanic winter. Ice caps expand rapidly, swallowing cities. Tropical rainforests become frozen tundras. Agriculture is impossible. 90% of humans die from starvation, freezing, disease, and violence. Civilization collapses in 12 months. Cities become tombs. Humanity returns to survival mode. The nightmare continues. Ash takes years to settle. Oxygen levels drop. Carbon dioxide builds up. Once the ash clears, that CO2 causes extreme global warming. The planet that froze now cooks. Ice age, then extreme heat back to back. Scientists call this volcano climate whiplash. This has happened before. 252 million years ago, Siberian volcanoes erupted. For 1 million years, 96% of all species died. Scientists call it the Great Dying. It took 10 million years for life to recover. Should you worry? All volcanoes erupting at once is impossible. They have different magma sources. But Yellowstone erupts every 600,000 years. Last eruption was 640,000 years ago. We are overdue. When it erupts, it could cause volcanic winter alone. Those 1,500 sleeping volcanoes are not dead. They are waiting. The ground beneath your feet is alive. One day it will remind us who really controls this planet. What do you think? Could humanity survive? Comment below and subscribe for more impossible questions.